Hey there, welcome back. Today we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. In this video, I'll guide you through how to enable the floating window feature on your device. Follow the steps carefully to use apps in mini window mode easily. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications. Now let's begin.